everyone. I just wanted to tell you my favorite thing about this ULTCOVER that is a patio chair cover. I just went ahead and I put it on my kitchen chair just to kind of demonstrate. But it does have this really, really secure base in two different areas. So over here on this side, it does have this drawstring and it's really, really durable. You just pull on it like that and it tightens around the bottom. And then over here, on each of the four legs, it does have this plastic clip right here. And what you do is you just put it around the leg of the chair and it secures it. So now it's not going to fly off, it's not going to go anywhere. There's clips on every single leg and then it has two drawstrings on each side. So really secure, you're not going to have to worry about it flying off or anything getting into it. I just think that it's great. I love how durable it is. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.